Cryptocurrency is digital money. It's changing how we think about money. Staking is a way to earn more cryptocurrency. You do this by holding certain types of crypto. It's like earning interest on a savings account, but with digital currency. Staking is a great way to grow your crypto holdings over time. Think of it like planting a seed. The seed is your initial cryptocurrency investment. When you stake your crypto, it's like watering and nurturing that seed. Over time, your seed grows and produces more seeds, representing your staking rewards. This process allows your digital wealth to flourish passively. Staking is becoming increasingly popular. It's a great way to earn passive income. If you're looking for a way to make your money work for you, staking is definitely worth considering. In the following sections, we'll dive deeper into the world of staking. We'll explain how it works, how you can get started, and the potential benefits and risks involved. Staking might sound complicated, but it's actually pretty simple. When you stake your crypto, you're essentially agreeing to hold it in a digital wallet for a certain period of time. This helps support the operations of a blockchain network. Think of a blockchain like a digital ledger that keeps track of all cryptocurrency transactions. By holding and staking your crypto, you're helping to verify and validate transactions on that blockchain. In return for your contribution, you earn rewards in the form of more cryptocurrency. It's like being paid for your service in keeping the network secure and running smoothly. The specific mechanics of staking can vary depending on the cryptocurrency you choose. However, the basic principle remains the same. You're leveraging your existing crypto assets to earn a passive income. One of the most appealing aspects of staking is its potential to generate passive income. Passive income is money you earn without actively working for it. It's like having your money work for you, even while you sleep. With staking, you can earn rewards simply by holding your cryptocurrency. The amount you earn depends on several factors, including the cryptocurrency you stake, the amount you stake, the staking duration, and the staking platform you use. Staking offers a fantastic opportunity to watch your crypto holdings grow over time without any extra effort on your part. Section 4. Choosing your stakes. Finding the right crypto. Not all cryptocurrencies offer staking rewards. Before you jump into staking, it's crucial to do your research and choose the right cryptocurrency for your needs. Look for cryptocurrencies that use a proof of stake or POS consensus mechanism. POS is a system that allows users to validate transactions and earn rewards based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold. Some popular POS cryptocurrencies include Ethereum or ETH, Cardano or ADA, Solana or SOL, and Polkadot or DOT. When choosing a cryptocurrency for staking, consider factors like staking rewards. How much can you potentially earn? Volatility. How much does the price of the cryptocurrency fluctuate? And project legitimacy. Is the cryptocurrency project reputable and trustworthy? Section 5. The perks of staking beyond the passive income. Staking offers several benefits for cryptocurrency holders, including easy entry. Staking is generally easier than other methods of earning cryptocurrency, such as mining. Lower costs. Staking doesn't require expensive equipment like mining does. And accessibility. Numerous platforms offer staking services, making it accessible to a wide range of investors. Staking can be a rewarding way to grow your cryptocurrency holdings and support the blockchain ecosystem. It's a win-win situation. Section 6. Staking smart. Understanding the risks. While staking offers numerous benefits, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks involved. Like any investment, staking comes with its own set of challenges. Cryptocurrency volatility. Crypto prices can be very volatile. Liquidity risks. Some staking platforms may have lockup periods, and platform risks. It's essential to choose a reputable staking platform. Investing in cryptocurrency involves understanding the risks. Before you stake, do your research. Start small. Choose a reputable platform.